पता है मैंने अपनी लाइफ में ना एक चीज बहुत शिद्दत से मानी है कि किताबें पढ़ने वाला इंसान ना कभी अकेला नहीं होता है. एंड इफ यू आर समवन हु बिलीव्स इन द सेम philosophy, this video is for you. Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Korporate Kaamvaali, and if you're new here, welcome aboard. I'm new here too, and I hope together we can walk a path where I help you figure out and discover the soft life chronicles of your life as I discover mine. We started shooting this video almost a month and a half ago. This was a very slow process, and my husband and I are both ardent readers. I'm into fiction, he's into non-fiction, and we both have our own collection. And we had a total of two bookshelves, and now we have a third one, but still there was no space. And we realized it's high time we start decluttering and figuring out what books to keep and what books to give away. So, this video is a slow process of that particular journey of ours, and we want you guys to be a part of it. We want you guys to see our collection. We want you guys to see the proud little mehnat we did throughout this video. As someone who's never really into long intros, I wouldn't want to bore you much, so let's get into the video. We're tired.
But we'll finish it.
Okay, so there is something I wanted to share with you guys, and it's a cool trick which is budget friendly. So whenever you buy items which are preservatives, and most of them come with these kind of packets, and I got a bigger one from Pop Mart. I think this prevents those moisture, so it prevents moisture. So what you do is, whenever you find packets like these, and if you have bookshelves, put these inside your bookshelves. That way the edges of your books don't get ruined like this. They're going to be good. And ever since I've started using it, my book edges have been in mint condition. Not really new, but mint condition, because I use them a lot. It's 3 o'clock in the night. We started at 6 in the evening. We are almost done, but we're still left with these many books which will go into the new shelf. There are some books like some of these which I think I'll put at the back of other books for them to stand firm. But all in all, yeah, so many books to go, and I don't think we can finish it. So see you tomorrow. So you've seen this closet getting set up so far. This is our new addition. We bought this cupboard in IKEA in a clearance sale. And the advantage was this was pre-set up. So we just had to pick it, put it at home. Initially we wanted something of this height, but we just couldn't resist the color combination, the designs. Let me quickly show you how the drawers look. So this design came along with the drawer. This is not a paper. And then the insides are of this color. Probably needs a bit of cleaning. But yeah, let's get to it. So it's pretty bright outside, but this part of the house doesn't get much light. We had to turn these lights on. So I have Mahabharata here, and then I placed the Joker and a tree over here, which is quite meaningless. I realized it while placing the brass items in that shelf. Now I have this Radham from Mahabharata, and I thought, why not replace that guy with this? Let's go.